Set up ACH templates to make repeating payments fast and simple. Templates automate your transactions by making a payment model with detailed directions. To create an ACH batch template, click the plus icon. Click the Manage ACH Template button, then the Create New Template button. Enter a template name and click the Next button. Select a company name and offset account. Enter any discretionary data and select an entry class. Click the Add Recipients button. You can create recipients by adding detail records or by adding a participant. Detail records can be created and added to the batch manually. Click the Add Detail Records button. Enter their full name and any other necessary information. Select a transaction type. Enter the routing and account numbers. Select an account type. Click Format Options to expand additional details if required. Click the Save as Participant button to save the new detail record as a participant. Click the Save and Add Another button to save the current participant and add another. Click the Save button to continue. You can choose a participant from a list of pre-created participants to add to the batch. Click the Add Participants button. Select the participants you would like to add and click the Add Selected Participants button. Add any established payment amounts and click the Continue button. Review the template details and click the Save ACH Template button when you are finished. To make edits to an existing ACH template, click the plus icon, then click the Manage ACH Template button. Click the Edit Existing Template button. Select the template you would like to edit. Make the necessary changes and click the Save button. To delete an ACH template, click the Delete this template button, then click Yes to confirm.